Hi, this is Rob Beardsley with Lone Star Capital, and I'm out front of the New York Stock Exchange, and I thought this would be a perfect place to talk about Lone Star's why. So, Lone Star Capital, if you're familiar with us, we're a relatively young company, and the company is founded by myself and my business partner Kent Petrakovsky to focus on owning and operating workforce housing in Texas. And our why is something that we haven't spent a whole ton of time thinking about, because when you're starting a company, there's so many other things to think about and actually running the business and getting down to the work. But I'm currently reading Good to Great, which is a book about some of the best companies in history and what differentiates themselves between the almost great companies. And there's a fine line, and it talks about these great companies all having really strong whys, and that helps them forge a very strong corporate culture that can outlive just the founder CEO. See, oftentimes good companies, they get founded by a strong leader, but then when that leader is surpassed or replaced, then that's where the company starts to falter. And these great companies, however, do amazing regardless of who's in power. Not to say anyone can lead them. Terrific leaders are always at the helm, but the company always promotes from within and gets a great leader somehow always take the helm. So back to Lone Star's why. So we've decided that our why is we want to do smart things with smart people. What that means is we want to make smart investment choices. We want to constantly improve what we're doing. So that's going about smart things, improving our processes from deal sourcing to investor relations to deal structure to strategy, always improving, always being smarter. And then the second part of that is doing smart things with smart people. We are in business, and business is always about the people. Kent and I, we work with each other, we respect each other, we think we're both pretty smart, and we also want to keep growing our company with more smart people to help us continue to take on our mission. And then similarly, in terms of our investors, the brokers that we work with, service providers, everyone that we work with, we also want to be smart and to stimulate us intellectually and motivate us and drive us. I think that goes to the fact that we naturally attract more sophisticated investors. That's something that we've noticed is the investors that come to us and that are attracted to our brand are generally on the more sophisticated side. And I don't mean they're sophisticated as in smarter and that there are dumber investors. I just mean that they're more savvy and knowledgeable about this business, and so they come to us really already knowing about our business, about the specifics, about some of the nuances, and they are happy to get more advanced with us, because that's what we like to do as well. That's just a thought as we continue to grow and articulate our vision. And I think staying on this path will continue to allow us to innovate and constantly not accept the status quo and look for ways to get smarter and work with smarter people. Thanks for watching.